What is going on, traders? This is going to be a quick intraday video. I want to knock it out because I won't be able to make a video tonight. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. So in our last few videos, we talked about how institutions are loading up SPY puts, 547 puts, 542 puts, and I mean they are making an absolute bag. Last Friday, in case you're new to this video, right? March 7th, they loaded up SPY puts at 3:10 Eastern time, right? That's my time. They loaded up SPY puts for April 17th. Your strike was 547, 542. Quantity was insane. They loaded up at 576. Right now, SPY is at 559 currently while this video is going, right? Or while this recording is going. Premiums. 4.94 million premium, 4.28 million premium. Like I say before, like I say this all the time. I say this all the time, guys. You don't have to take me seriously, but these guys here, they're not here to play. These exchanges, these institutions, they're not here to play. I know somebody asked or said in the previous video, you guys act like institutions are market movers or market makers. You might want to Google these guys. You might want to Google who these guys are. Hey, these are the biggest global exchanges in the world. Yes, they are. They're absolutely market movers. You think 4.94 million is not moving things? You think another 4.28 million is not moving the SPY? Yeah, okay. All right. You keep having that mindset, buddy. But regardless, when it comes to downside, we still have more to go. Okay, I'm here to tell you right now, we still have a lot more to go. Now, obviously, we're going to get bounces here and there, but yeah, we got a lot more to go. All right, so I wouldn't trust any upside just yet. Trust me, the moment I feel like it's a time to be bullish, it's time for some type of bounce towards the upside, like a real bounce, like a rally. I'm going to be the first to tell you guys. All right, or at least one of the first to tell you guys. Okay, but right now, not looking good. Key level I told you guys about was 564. We broke up below that. We destroyed it like butter. It's not looking good. Once we broke below 564, the floodgates are open. Now you're looking at moves towards 540, probably even lower than that. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm going to keep telling you guys this. If you follow this channel, if you truly believe this channel, you believe the things I say, you don't have to take me seriously, but you better take these guys serious. Okay, I'm giving you the keys to the city. I'm giving you the cheat codes. I'm showing you what institutions are doing. These are market movers. They have the capital to do that. All right. I don't care what the next retail trader tells you or whatever. I don't care about none of that. I care about what these guys are doing. I don't care about what the news is saying, anything like that. I care about what the guy that's putting 4.94 million premium, another 4.28 million premium. I care about what these type of people are doing. Okay. So that's my little rant there. But I do think we're going to see more downside guys, it's probably going to get much worse than this. All right. SPY, you're looking at 550 at this point. I mean, it goes without saying. A lot of you have been saying that in the comments. So all credit goes to you. I mean, triple Qs, this is looking insane. You're looking at move towards 450 at this point. You break below 470, the floodgates open towards 450. You're just in an empty void at this point. It's bad, right? IWM, congratulations to Discord members. We took profit on this play. You broke this trend line. IWM, you're looking at a move towards 190 at this point. You get below 199. All right. Nvidia, I right now we're in 100 puts on Nvidia. We got in at around 108.5. We're in 100 puts for March 21st. I keep telling you guys, I'm going to keep saying it. This thing is heading towards 100. Don't care what anyone says. It's heading towards 100. You broke below 110. Pack your bags. You're heading to the Earth's core. AVGO, this thing is heading towards 150. I truly believe that, especially if you close this daily below 185. You close below 185, floodgates open towards 160, between 160 and 150. All right, I'm not saying you're going to shoot straight there, but you definitely want to watch this thing for a move further down. I mean, Bitcoin, I'm speed running through this because I have to go in a bit, but Bitcoin, 73K is what I'm looking at right now. 73K. Congratulations to Discord members who took the MSTR trade towards the downside. MSTR, we can actually talk about that. Once MSTR broke below 280, you're opening up the floodgates all the way towards 200. I think this thing is going to continue to head towards 200, if not around 220. Okay. Not looking good, guys. It's just not looking good across the board. I mean, it goes without saying. All right, so I mean, Discord. If you're not in the Discord, man, you just missed out. We killed it once again. We're on an absolute rampage. We took profit on those MSTR puts. What else are we in? What else did we get in? Like I said, Nvidia 100 strike puts. You can feel free to check the contract on that. We're up on that on that play. MSTR took profits on that. What else? AVGO, we're still holding AVGO, but I'm up actually about 700 on this. It went up a lot more. But regardless, I mean, you missed out. All right. Not one loss. Not one loss today. I think we only lost twice within like 3 weeks so far, 2 weeks and a half so far. I mean, you don't have to believe me. Okay. Discord members are welcome to say anything in the comments below. You know, of course, you're gonna have a hater here and there or a troll here and there because they just joined Discords to hate on people for some reason. But I mean, this guy right here, he just joined like a week or so ago, making absolute bank. Okay, making absolute bank. Made about $300. He probably made a lot more than that actually. This guy, he joined, I want to say a week or so ago. He took those 547 puts that I talked about that institutions are in, made $45 off that. He made another $38 off the AVGO puts. You know, hey, all profit is good profit. I don't care how much you make, as long as it's profit. All right, you can buy you a nice little Chick-fil-A dinner, whatever you want to buy with this. Okay, you can pay probably a good cell phone bill. You combine these, so I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy as long as you're making profit, buddy. Don't feel bad about small profit. All right, this guy right here, I mean, he went absolutely crazy. Been a great supporter of the YouTube channel. He made 2K, 2K. All right, he made 2K off of those SPY puts that we talked about. Institutions are in. All right, he took those 547 March 21st puts. He trusted the process. He trusted that institutions knew what they were doing. All right, I don't just say it just to say it. All right, MSTR, he made $895 off $200 puts or 200 strike puts. I'm sorry. Tesla 230 puts, 1K off of that. I mean it just keeps going, guys. Apple, we took puts. We did 227.5 puts on Apple at around, I want to say 235. I might be wrong on that. Regardless, we took profit on that. He did a different strike, killed it. I mean, the list goes on, guys. We just been on an absolute rampage. This guy right here, he made 6,860 off of MSTR 250 puts. I let everybody know in the Discord that institutions were loading up 250 puts for MSTR. He took them, made an absolute bag. All right. So again, you don't have to trust me. You don't have to believe anything I say. But these guys right here, they're not here to play. Bars. All right. They're not here to play. Okay. So you don't got to take me serious. Take these guys seriously. And I still think we have more downside to go. All right. A lot more downside to go. So sorry, I can't make this video long, but Discord link is in the description below. Do not miss out. It's about to get even more crazy. Until the next video, traders, let me know what you guys think about this downside. Let me know if you think a bounce is coming or you think it's going to be more downside. Just let me know what you're thinking. And if you made profit today, definitely let me know. I love to see all of us win, whether you're a troll, whether you're a hater, whether you love it here. Regardless, I love to see us win. Till the next video, traders, have a good